So welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make drumstick leaf rasam. Very healthy and an immunity boosting recipe. It has a lot of health benefits. It treats your stomach, makes your bones healthy and protects your liver. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mortar and pestle, add 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, a teaspoon of jeera. Grind this to a fine powder. To this, add 10 garlic pods, few curry leaves, and 1 green chilli. Crush them well. Keep this ready. Now let's start the preparation. Heat a mud pot and add 3 cups of water. To this, add 1 cup of drumstick leaves. Give it a quick mix and let this cook for 10 minutes until the drumstick leaves are nicely done. Now it's been 10 minutes and the drumstick leaves are nicely done. So transfer this to a bowl and keep it aside. Heat the same mud pot and add a teaspoon of oil to it. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, few curry leaves, 2 dried red chillies, and a pinch of ASAFOETIDA. To this, add the crushed ingredients, 2 ripe tomatoes very finely chopped, a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well until the tomato turns mashy. Now the tomato is cooked well, so go ahead and add 1/2 cup of tamarind juice and the drumstick leaf soup. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now a delicious drumstick leaf rasam is ready. Very healthy and definitely an immunity booster. Serve it nice and hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy and quick to make, so do try this drumstick leaf rasam at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.